Imagine floating hundreds of miles above Earth, tasked with installing cutting-edge technology and tossing outdated equipment into the void of space. That's exactly what two Russian cosmonauts did during a recent spacewalk outside the International Space Station, ISS. But here's where it gets fascinating. This wasn't just routine maintenance. It was a leap toward revolutionizing semiconductor technology in microgravity. Let's dive into the details. Expedition 73 Commander Sergei Ryzhikov and flight engineer Alexei Zubritsky, both representing Russia's Federal Space Agency, Roscosmos, completed their first joint extravehicular activity, EVA, on October 16. Their mission? To install the Ekran-M experiment, also known as the Molecular Beam Epitaxy (MBE) unit, outside the Naka Multipurpose Laboratory Module. This drum-shaped device is designed to produce ultra-thin semiconductor materials, so thin, in fact, that they're nearly impossible to create reliably on Earth. And this is the part most people miss. These materials could one day transform how we manufacture semiconductors, leveraging the unique conditions of space. After securing the experiment, the duo moved on to a more dramatic task: jettisoning an old high-definition television camera that was once part of a Canadian commercial payload. Zubritsky, positioned at the end of the European Robotic Arm, ERA, released the 180-pound camera into space, ensuring it wouldn't re-encounter the ISS. As it disappeared into Earth's shadow, Zubritsky radioed, "It is going so well. Jettison is complete." The camera, relatively small in size, is expected to burn up harmlessly upon re-entering Earth's atmosphere. But here's the controversial part. While the jettisoning of outdated equipment is standard practice, some argue that space agencies should prioritize recycling or repurposing such hardware to reduce space debris. What do you think? Is tossing equipment overboard the best solution, or should we explore more sustainable alternatives? Before wrapping up their 6-hour, 9-minute spacewalk, Ryzhikov and Zubritsky cleaned a window on the Zvezda service module and retrieved an exposed material samples experiment. This marked the 276th spacewalk in support of the ISS since 1998, with Zubritsky logging his first EVA and Ryzhikov adding to his total of 12 hours and 57 minutes in space. This mission highlights the ongoing innovation and maintenance required to keep the ISS operational, while pushing the boundaries of scientific research. From semiconductor experiments to the ethical considerations of space debris, it's a reminder of how complex and contentious space exploration can be. What's your take on the future of space technology and sustainability? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments.